Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create an account in GitHub. GitHub is a version control tool and we are also going to create a repository in the GitHub account. So to create account in GitHub, first of all go to github.com, then click sign up. Enter your email address and click continue. So you need to enter a password and click continue. After that you have to enter a username. Let me enter something like this, my GitHub. So GitHub doesn't allow you to use this username. Okay, so let me use my account. And this is not available. Okay, so you should enter the username which is unique and available for you, and this username is available. Click continue. Now you are on this page, verify your account. Please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. GitHub will send you a code in your email which you have to enter here. Let me check my email. This code, let me copy this and go back to my GitHub page and enter the code here. Okay, now your GitHub account has been created. Now we can log into the GitHub account. Enter the username and password and click sign in. Okay, so over here, how would you describe yourself? You can select anything relevant to you. Okay, or you can skip personalization from here. Click continue. This time let's use this option, skip personalization. So we have successfully logged into the GitHub account. So this is our GitHub account. If you click here, so this is the username, and if you click your profile, you will see your profile, overview, repositories and other things. To use GitHub, we need to create a repository to save your files or codes or anything, and to maintain the version control. To create a new repository, click the repositories tab, and after that you can click new, or you can click here new repository, or you can import also. I am going to create a new repository. Okay, so I am going to click new and I am going to enter the repository name. So this will be my repository name and I am selecting public option. It's up to you. So in public, anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit, and if you select private, you choose who can see and commit to this repository. Okay, so it's up to you, whichever you prefer. I am going with public option. Okay, and click create repository. The repository has been created. This is the repository. This is the username. This is the repository name. This is how you can create an account in GitHub and create a repository in the GitHub account. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.